So hey YouTube family, how are you all? So today we are going to show you how to download VMware Fusion 11 for Mac. So first of all you have to visit this URL, then when you will visit this URL then you have to click on this download button here, and when you will click on this download button then you will be directed to this page, and here you have to click on start download and your download will start automatically. Okay guys, that's it. So if you don't file any software which you are looking for, then you can request that software file from here. We have also a forum section, so here you can join here for the discussion. Okay, so also if you have any query or doubt, or if you face any problem in downloading any software, then you can drop us an email too. We will connect with you ASAP. Thank you.